Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the tucker model and fitting the correct foot or blade. This matters because blades dictate tuck width and spacing. Next, thread and tension a test spool, then set stitch length to the recommended range for your fabric. Once done, align the fabric grain and mark tuck lines lightly. That keeps folds straight under the guide. Make sure the machine is stable on a flat table, and you have scrap fabric ready for a quick trial run. You now form the actual tucks by running a test on scrap to verify tuck depth and stitch length. This prevents surprises on the final piece. While stitching, guide the fabric slowly with both hands so the guide pulls uniform folds. That avoids puckering and uneven spacing. After each row, trim excess bulk between tucks to reduce thickness, then press the tucked section flat before continuing. Pressing sets stitches and keeps subsequent tucks accurate and neat. You finish by securing tuck ends with a small backstitch or bardack, then press the entire piece to lock tucks in place. Pressing improves appearance and durability. If you see puckering, reduce thread tension, slow your feed rate, or switch to a finer needle because tension and thickness cause distortion. If stitches skip, stop immediately, rethread top and bobbin, verify blade and foot alignment, and replace the needle. Once corrected, retest on scrap before resuming the main work.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.